This is an example of finding the equation of a line when given the coordinates of 2 points that lie on that line. And on our quiz, we'll be asked to put that equation into standard form. So the first thing we're going to want to do is find our slope. We know that this is our slope formula, so we can take the y's and subtract them. So I'll take the second y minus the first y, and then in the denominator take the x's and subtract them. So I'll take the second x minus the first x. On top, 5 minus 2 is 3. On bottom, 2 minus negative 1 is also 3. And 3 divided by 3 is 1. So our line has a slope of 1. Then I can use point-slope form to help me determine the rest of the equation. I now know that slope is 1, and I want to determine the equation in standard form. So I'll pick one of these two ordered pairs. It doesn't matter which one. I'll choose the one that doesn't have any negatives. And this will be my x1, and this will be my y1. So x1 I'm going to replace with the number 2, and y1 I'm going to replace with a number 5. My equation now is y minus 5 equals 1 times the quantity x minus 2. And 1 times the quantity, I don't have to put the 1 in there. Now I need to solve for y. Excuse me, I'm putting this in standard form. So I'm going to need to get my x's and y's together. I want my x to have a positive coefficient. So it currently has a positive coefficient over here. So I'm going to move my y over to that side by subtracting y from both sides. That leaves me with negative 5 equals x minus 2 minus y. The only thing I have left to move is my constant of negative 2 to the other side. So I'll add positive 2 to both sides, and I'll have x minus y is equal to negative 3. My equation is now in standard form.